Good day everyone, let's hear from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is October 18, 2022, and I'm going to be analyzing the Australian stock market index ASX 200 and sharing with you my thoughts whether this is what we call a bear market rally, or we could even see our market hitting potentially 7,000, or will be down towards 6,000. So let's have a look. Guys, on 29th of September, we applied our strategy on ASX 200 and we found there was a potential reversal happening. At that time, there was a lot of panic in the market. And as we're going to show you in the chart next few minutes, that it's been happening over and over again. The market's going down, going up, going down, going up, but it's still in descendant mode. Now, if you have access to our free Facebook community by Growth Our Strategy for share traders, which by the way I'm inviting you to become a member as we speak, you would see that post on the 29th of September. We saw this little, as you can see, this little green candle on the Heiken arch, which shows a very, very good indication of a reversal. So let's see what's happening after that. So as you see, this was the day that we spoke about. You see this little candle here, and then after we have another reversal candle, then a leg down, then the market starts sort of pick up. And then we saw a really big rally. In fact, one of those days was 3.7% up in one day, incredibly. Now, what does it indicate us? That first of all, our strategy was correct by finding a potential reversal. Secondly, on a game of probability, and that's what the stock market's all about, uses indicators, KPIs, but it's still a probability, so it decreases the chances of going wrong. On the game of probability, using our KPIs and indicators, you can see that the market now bouncing back as we just foreseen. Now, the problem here is it's not as quick as it's done in July and August, unfortunately. But for me, it's still a normal formation. This is normal part of what we call consolidation phase. I think the market's now consolidating. But what I like to see here is that fact that this latest consolidations are actually higher than July lows, although the market actually reached some sort of levels of July low after we had this pretty negative CPI in the US. And interest rates hikes. Now, according to this chart formation, our market is still bearish, and as per our indicator, as you can see, the pink line, the SMA 250, shows that if the market's trading under that market, is bearish for us. That's our consideration of bearish. We made our own definition of bear and bull market. That's because we established our own strategy. Now, a couple of things we're going to highlight here is those double bottom here. A lot of traders, they talk about double bottom and double top as a potential reversal. I'm not assuming this is going to be the case here. I don't normally take into consideration double bottoms or double tops. I've seen double tops making absolutely no sense. If you see one of the stocks that we trade, we even had a video about yesterday, CXO, going to show you why you shouldn't take consideration double bottom or double tops. This is double top here, one top here and one top here, and then what we normally assume there will be a pretty hard crash here, and then and it didn't happen. So and now the stock's heading towards again like the top of the section. So we really need to understand what's happening with the macro or the fundamental part of the very same asset that you're analyzing. In this case, the ASX 200. Now, one positive aspect for us, and that's why we are a little bit positive about it, is that later the banks have been upgraded its guidance by the important analysts in the market. So NAB, followed by ANZ, and then obviously Macquarie Bank and CBA doing well as well. Banks are a very heavy part of the index, and provided the banks are going to be doing well over the next 6 to 12 months, hypothetically, that gives us a good confidence that the market will at least stay around this sort of level or upwards. Look, for me, it's unlikely to see, I don't want to be over optimistic here, but I don't think the market will crash towards 6,000. Maybe I'm wrong. I think we have enough fundamental value in the market at the moment, and the Australian stock market at the moment, to hold above the current levels. When I'm talking about the current lows level here that we sold about 6,400, this is the levels. I think there are enough fundamental value in the market, and I hope to believe that that the market will stay above this pink level here. Now, what I'm hoping to happen, and what my chart's saying here, is that we potentially will see the market bouncing back towards 7,000 within the next few weeks. And if that happens, we will see still a rally of 4% from the current price. So our strategy showed the reversal indication again, as it did in June, although the panic was a panic in the market. And now what we're looking at again will be in the future for a reversal indication of a correction, which I think was halfway, is still from there. It's halfway of the rally. I'm really hoping to see the market reaching 7,000 in the next few weeks. Because this chart formation, because the fundamental value I've seen in the market, and despite the macroeconomic gloom and loom times, I think that there is a positive prospect for the short term here. And then obviously based on that, we have our positions with our VIP members on, and we are invested, and we're hoping to be closing our positions in the next few weeks as the market reaches sort of this top level here. So this is my position on the market, bullish on the short term. And then obviously if we see rally towards crossing this SMA 250, then the market will definitely be turning bullish from the bearish moment that we have here. But at the moment, we're still bearish for the long term, but bullish for the short term. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, please put in the comments below, and I'll be very happy to answer those questions. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS 20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand, and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.